Yo, me don't tell them precisely. Amaziyah The Great there with the legendary Mr. Copeland
Forbes,
Mr. Winford
Williams,
Richie Innocent,
Tullah Carter.
Yes, Richie Innocent.
precisely.
And I don't want to.
Amy.
Wachtel, the night nurse.
The night nurse. For some years, she's been doing it on radio in New York. And on my left here is Sister Tullah, who's been carrying the reggae flag on the west coast of the United States for over 40 years.
Maximum
So
respect.
congrats to these two ladies in International Women Month.
And for knowing what this man has been doing now for decades. Just look at this poster.
Winford, did you ever see him in the movie, French Connection? Did you ever see the footage of him in the French Connection?
Oh my God.
Copeland?
Kobe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
You didn't see that?
Of course.
He's in the French Connection.
Yes, man.
Did you see the Soul Train one?
Oh, yeah.
Soul
That's
Train,
Soul
yeah.
Alright, maximum
Why
respect.
can't the electric slide?
I really don't
But
want
Copeland
Icke
can't
Mouse to
do
get
the
mad at
electric
us because we
slide.
hanging with you. So we have to kind of separate ourselves from you. Because you done took, he's going to be like, we got my hat.
And you know, he doesn't care. You know, he
He'll
wants to
come
talk.
after us.
Mr. Martin, it's nice to see you again, right? It's great to see you, man. Great to see you. Yes.
So as we said, the IRAWMA was a great look. Maximum respect, Martin and the whole team. Big up yourself.
Kadi Reggae Festival Guide.
Wifey.
Pocket Poetry, founder, CEO, and of course, wifey, Mrs. Kirkland. Tell them precisely. The journey continue. Never stop. Greatness. Great ways to get where all the sunshine to make here. Oh, and don't know without the Lauderdale Art Center. And as me say, the show, huh? It's all good. Show was a great look. Everton Culture Cap there. Culture Cap production, I don't know him roll out and come support this all the way from New York.
I don't know, say, the IRAWMA, my friend never get it, but we still never regret it because one of our sister get it. So we give thanks and praise for it.
Precisely, and we still accept it. Big respect. Master Jackson, congratulations. You don't know. And big respect. Big respect and congratulations to Christopher Martin.
Blessings, Martin, and Darcy to the fullest.
Blessings and respect, General.
Big up.
Yeah, man, the journey continue, tell them precisely. We never stop.
Hello.